The American firearms landscape is experiencing a massive paradigm shift. For years, consumer buying habits followed a highly predictable cycle, driven by standard political timelines or basic defensive trends. But as we move through 2026, a completely new phenomenon is unfolding at gun counters across the United States. Americans are suddenly ignoring traditional legacy options and rushing to buy a specific class of firearms that masterfully blend highly advanced modularity, extreme ballistic efficiency, and unprecedented value. This is not a panic buying spree. It is a calculated, tech-driven migration toward firearms that offer high-tier custom features straight from the factory floor. In this deep dive analysis, we are counting down the top 5 firearms that Americans are suddenly purchasing in record-shattering numbers. And we will break down the precise metallurgical advancements, manufacturing breakthroughs, and consumer demands fueling this sudden market takeover. Stay tuned until the very end, because our number one spot is a microscopic micro-compact that has completely revolutionized pocket carry, triggering a nationwide ammunition and firearm shortage, and its sheer mechanical dominance will absolutely surprise you. Let us unlock the real reasons behind this sudden American buying surge. Number 5. Smith Wesson Model 1854. Starting off at number 5 is a stunning fusion of nostalgic frontier heritage and modern combat utility that has captured the imagination of American shooters. In 2026, the Smith & Wesson Model 1854 can be readily acquired on retail shelves for a steady price of approximately $1,279. Chambered in the devastatingly powerful .44 Magnum caliber, this premium tactical lever-action rifle is flying off shelves because it perfectly serves a dual purpose: a rugged, heavy-hitting wilderness defense tool and an incredibly fun modular range platform. The core engineering consists of a cold hammer-forged 19.25-inch stainless steel barrel featuring a threaded muzzle, mated seamlessly to a robust, satin-finished stainless steel receiver, bringing the total unloaded weight to 6.8 pounds. Ergonomically, this rifle completely abandons the restrictive, traditional wooden furniture of the past to cater to modern user interfaces. The factory equips the rifle with a highly durable, lightweight synthetic stock and a sleek M-lock handguard that features functional attachment slots at the 3, 6, and 9 o'clock positions. This allows shooters to effortlessly mount modern tactical lights, laser designators, and forward grips, while a full-length top Picatinny rail provides a rock-solid foundation for advanced red dot optics or low-power variable scopes. The stock is meticulously sculpted to manage the stout recoil of Magnum cartridges, providing a comfortable non-slip cheek weld and an integrated recoil pad that ensures absolute control during rapid-fire sequences. The mechanical action of the Model 1854 is a masterclass in smooth cycling, utilizing a traditional lever design that is greatly enhanced by an oversized loop. This enlarged loop accommodates gloved hands perfectly, ensuring smooth, lightning-fast manipulation under freezing backcountry conditions. The fire control group features an extraordinarily crisp, flat-faced trigger that snaps cleanly at a measured 5 pounds with absolutely zero gritty creep. Combined with an intuitive cross-bolt safety that adds an ironclad layer of mechanical security without disrupting the traditional manual of arms, this platform gives modern shooters absolute confidence. Verdict: the Smith & Wesson Model 1854 bridges a century of design evolution, explaining its sudden surge among Americans who demand big-bore stopping power packaged in a highly adaptable modern tactical framework. Number 4. Palmetto State Armory Sabre-10. Taking the 4th spot on our countdown is a precision battle rifle that is disrupting the long-range shooting market, retailing in 2026 at an unbeatable price point of $1,099. The Palmetto State Armory Sabre-10 series is suddenly being purchased by tens of thousands of Americans who want match-grade semi-automatic performance without paying traditional custom shop prices. Built around the heavy-hitting 7.62 by 51mm North Atlantic Treaty Organization caliber, also commonly shot as .308 Winchester, this rifle utilizes a premium 4150 chrome moly vanadium steel barrel with an ultra-durable nitride finish. Weighing in at a substantial yet well-balanced 9.5 pounds, the Sabre-10 features an optimized mid-length or rifle-length gas system designed to minimize internal component wear while ensuring flawless cycling. From an ergonomic perspective, the Sabre-10 feels like a highly customized tactical rifle right out of the box. Palmetto State Armory partnered with industry giants to equip this rifle with a premium B5 Systems adjustable stock and an ergonomic pistol grip that provides a natural, comfortable wrist angle for precision long-range engagements. The free-floating aluminum handguard is wrapped in an aggressive M-lock configuration, allowing shooters to easily attach bipods, barrier stops, and night vision thermals. This smart weight management ensures that despite its heavy-duty barrel profile, the rifle remains nimble and highly maneuverable during dynamic field exercises. The action operates via a highly tuned direct impingement system utilizing a top-tier cartridge-style dual-stage trigger group. This match-grade trigger requires a light 2 pounds of take-up, followed by an incredibly clean 1.5-pound break, totaling a crisp 3.5 pounds of overall pull. This mechanical precision allows shooters to achieve sub-minute of angle accuracy with ease. Furthermore, the rifle incorporates fully ambidextrous safety selectors, magazine releases, and bolt catches, ensuring seamless user interaction regardless of dominant hand preference. Verdict: the Palmetto State Armory Sabre-10 has triggered a massive buying wave by democratizing the precision semi-automatic rifle platform, offering elite tactical capability at a price point that competitors simply cannot touch. Number 3. Springfield Armory Echelon. Moving forward to number 3, we look at a duty pistol that has completely shaken up the polymer handgun market, holding a highly competitive retail price of $629 in 2026. The Springfield Armory Echelon is a full-sized, striker-fired 9mm handgun engineered around a revolutionary self-contained stainless steel chassis known as the Central Operating Group. This modular core houses the entire firing mechanism, allowing shooters to easily swap out the exterior polymer grip frame to fit different hand sizes. It features a hammer-forged 4.5-inch barrel, an aggressive optics mounting system, and an unloaded weight of 29 ounces, making it an incredibly robust option for home defense and open carry. The ergonomics of the Echelon are widely considered some of the most advanced ever implemented on a production duty gun. The frame is coated in an adaptive grip texturing that feels completely smooth to the touch under light pressure, but locks aggressively into the skin when gripped tightly under heavy recoil. Springfield also introduced the variable interface system, which utilizes a series of self-locking pins to allow over 30 popular red dot optics to mount directly to the slide without the need for thick, heavy adapter plates. This lowers the optic profile significantly, providing a natural, intuitive sight picture and allowing the shooter to easily co-witness with the factory iron sights. The internal striker action of the Echelon has been meticulously tuned to eliminate the mushy, unpredictable feel that plagues traditional duty handguns. The flat-faced trigger travel is buttery smooth, hitting a definitive, rock-solid wall before breaking cleanly at 4.5 pounds. The mechanical reset is incredibly short, sharp, and highly tactile, allowing for blistering split times during rapid defensive strings. Additionally, the gun features completely ambidextrous slide locks and magazine releases molded flush to the frame, ensuring flawless safety and handling manipulation under high-stress conditions. Verdict: the Springfield Armory Echelon is experiencing a massive explosion in sales because it delivers a level of modularity and direct optics integration that completely outperforms legacy duty pistols, costing hundreds more. Number 2. SIG Sauer P365 Fuse. Securing the runner-up position is a firearm that has redefined the boundaries of everyday carry, commanding a retail price of $799. The SIG Sauer P365 Fuse is the ultimate evolution of the micro-compact revolution, chambered in the ubiquitous 9mm caliber. The core engineering achievement here is the seamless integration of a full-sized, match-grade 4.3-inch carbon steel barrel and a lengthened slide into an ultra-slim, razor-thin 21mm wide grip module. Weighing just 23.1 ounces unloaded, this elongated crossover pistol allows Americans to carry an incredibly shootable, full-capacity weapon with absolute comfort and deep concealability. Ergonomically, the Fuse is an absolute revelation for shooters who struggle to maintain a secure grip on tiny pocket pistols. The extended polymer grip module allows for a full, secure 3-finger purchase, housing an astonishing 17+1 or 20+1 round magazine capacity. The slide features deep, aggressive, multi-groove cocking serrations along both the front and rear, making slide manipulation entirely effortless regardless of weather conditions. The frame is beautifully contoured with an extended beaver tail that forces the shooter's hand into a low-bore axis, mechanically converting sharp muzzle rise into a smooth, flat-shooting rearward push. The fire control group operates on SIG Sauer's world-renowned modular striker-fired system, featuring a beautifully finished nickel-coated flat trigger. The trigger pull delivers a clean, consistent 5 pounds of resistance with zero overtravel, followed immediately by a highly positive millimeter-short tactile reset. This elite mechanical action ensures that the shooter can track targets and break follow-up shots with the surgical precision of a dedicated competition gun, while maintaining all the drop-safe internal safeties required for daily defensive carry. Verdict: Americans are buying the P365 Fuse in droves because it completely eliminates the old compromise between full-size shooting performance and micro-compact concealability. Number 1. Smith Wesson Bodyguard 2.0. Taking the absolute crown at the number 1 spot is a microscopic masterpiece that has taken the defensive shooting community by storm, carrying an incredibly aggressive retail price of just $449 in 2026. The Smith & Wesson Bodyguard 2.0 is a micro-compact chambered in the low-recoil .380 automatic Colt pistol caliber, also known as .380 ACP. The engineering behind this handgun is nothing short of miraculous. The factory has successfully packed an incredible 10+1 or 12+1 capacity into an ultra-miniaturized framework that features a 2.75-inch barrel and weighs a shocking 9.8 ounces unloaded. This allows the handgun to completely disappear into a standard front pocket, completely transforming how Americans approach deep concealment security. The ergonomics of the Bodyguard 2.0 have completely eradicated the painful, awkward handling characteristics historically associated with tiny pocket pistols. Smith & Wesson designed the frame with a deep, dramatic trigger guard undercut and an extended grip geometry that allows even large-handed shooters to get a rock-solid, secure purchase on the weapon. The grip faces are wrapped in a highly refined, aggressive texturing pattern derived from their elite military and police duty line, which keeps the featherweight firearm perfectly anchored in the palm, neutralizing the typical snappy recoil of the .380 caliber. The primary reason Americans are suddenly clearing gun store shelves to buy this specific firearm is its revolutionary striker-fired action, which completely abandons the heavy, gritty, double-action-only triggers of older pocket guns. The Bodyguard 2.0 utilizes a modern, flat-face trigger that delivers a light, crisp 5-pound break with a definitive glass-like wall. The mechanical reset is lightning-fast and highly audible, providing a smooth, high-performance trigger feel that rivals custom-tuned duty pistols. This unprecedented combination of capacity, elite trigger dynamics, and microscopic sizing makes it the most sought-after defensive firearm in the country today. Verdict: the Smith & Wesson Bodyguard 2.0 has achieved legendary status by single-handedly elevating the pocket pistol into a high-capacity, match-accurate defensive powerhouse, making it the undisputed number 1 gun that Americans are buying right now. The rapid evolution of manufacturing technology has fundamentally rewritten the rules of firearm procurement in 2026. From modern tactical lever actions to modular duty handguns and high-capacity pocket pistols, American shooters are actively voting with their wallets for platforms that offer elite engineering, modular versatility, and maximum value straight out of the box. If this technical market breakdown provided valuable insight for your next purchase, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell so you never miss our premium, high-production technology essays. Let us know down in the comments which of these market-disrupting firearms you have added to your collection this year. Thank you for watching, Trey.